Securing your APIs is one of the most important tasks in maintaining the integrity of your software systems. Today, we're diving into how to secure APIs using Tenable, an advanced vulnerability management tool. Stay with me, and I'll walk you through key features that can help you safeguard your APIs with ease. By the way, you can try Tenable for free through the first link below and get access to exclusive bonuses, so be sure to check that out. First, let's talk about API security in general. APIs are an integral part of modern systems, connecting services and enabling smooth communication. However, they're also prime targets for attackers. This is where Tenable steps in. It helps identify and manage vulnerabilities within your APIs, ensuring they're protected from potential threats. Next thing, Tenable uses a comprehensive vulnerability scanning process. Once you integrate Tenable into your system, it automatically scans your APIs for any known vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, or weak points. This proactive scanning is crucial because APIs are often exposed to the internet, making them easy entry points for attackers. With Tenable scanning, you can catch vulnerabilities before they turn into a problem. The third thing Tenable excels at is providing continuous monitoring. Unlike traditional security measures, which might only check vulnerabilities periodically, Tenable offers continuous vulnerability monitoring. This means it constantly checks your APIs for new threats, ensuring that any vulnerabilities are detected and addressed in real time. This dynamic approach is essential to keep your APIs secure as the security landscape evolves. The fourth thing to mention is Tenable's integration capabilities. You don't have to worry about Tenable being a standalone solution. It integrates seamlessly with other tools in your tech stack, like CIEMs or ticketing systems, allowing for smooth collaboration and efficient incident management. This makes it a versatile addition to your security workflow. Next up, let's talk about Tenable's reporting and insights. One of the best things about Tenable is its ability to provide detailed reports that help you understand your security posture. With these reports, you can see where your vulnerabilities lie, prioritize the most critical issues, and take action. These insights also help you demonstrate compliance with security standards, making audits much easier. Now, what makes Tenable unique is its ability to not just find issues, but also help you remediate them. It suggests actionable steps to fix any vulnerabilities that it detects, making it easier for you to secure your APIs without needing to be an expert in every security tool. Finally, I want to leave you with this. Tenable helps you protect your APIs not just by scanning for vulnerabilities, but by offering ongoing monitoring, detailed insights, and easy integration with your existing tools. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Tenable's scalable solution ensures that your APIs remain secure at all times. Remember, if you want to try Tenable for free and gain access to some exclusive bonuses, make sure to click the first link below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to secure your APIs and protect your business.